Hello, this is the user guide for the TikTok Content Planner template. First, when you receive my PDF file, please make 2 copies. One copy is for backup/storage, and the other copy will be your working version. In the Setup Dashboard tab, fill in details such as video goal, video category, assign to, status, and input your view thresholds for viral and flop performance. This section allows the file to automatically calculate which videos are considered viral based on the view numbers you define. Next, go to the Content Creation tab and enter your content details, such as topic, content description, etc. The data you input here will automatically sync with other tabs, so you don't need to re-enter or search for information manually. The background music section is connected to data from the Library tab. The Content Performance Dashboard tab helps you filter content, generate reports, and view performance charts. You can only interact with the filters here. The content area below cannot be edited. If you need to make changes, please do so directly in the Content Creation tab. Next is the Monthly Content Calendar tab, which gives you a visual overview of deadlines and posting schedules. After filtering by month, year, and day of the week, click the Calendar Visualization button and grant email access when prompted. The file will then automatically highlight content with assigned delivery and posting dates, making it easier to track your schedule. Finally, the Library and Idea Storage tabs are where you can store TikTok ideas, trending sounds, and inspirations to help you continuously create fresh content. And that's the guide to using the TikTok Content Planner. Thank you so much for purchasing this product.